Discover the power of nature with Jamaica Health Box Soursop Leaf capsules. Harvested from the lush landscapes of Jamaica, these capsules harness the potent immune-boosting properties of graviola, also known as soursop, a natural solution rooted in generations of traditional herbal wisdom. But what makes soursop leaf so remarkable? Scientific research suggests 3 key benefits. First, its powerful antioxidant properties help combat free radicals. Second, it bolsters your immune system, aiding your body's natural defenses. And third, it may offer anti-inflammatory support, promoting overall well-being. The star of our capsules is, of course, the graviola leaf itself, carefully selected and processed to retain its natural potency. Each capsule delivers a concentrated dose of this remarkable herb. It's nature's pharmacy, conveniently packaged. Why choose Jamaica Health Box? We are committed to providing you with the purest, most potent natural remedies. Our soursop leaves are sustainably sourced and rigorously tested for quality. Experience the difference that Jamaican tradition and meticulous care can make. Ready to unlock the power of nature? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today to learn more and order your Soursop Leaf 100 Veggie Caps. Or call us at 1-929-314-0106. Embrace natural wellness the Jamaican way.